So as you can see, the mold is coming off of mostly everything. Oh, except here, we got the surface mold off, but the see when you let your motorhome go for more than a year or 6 months, sometimes depending on the type of roof that you have, then it's the mold actually grows into the roof fabric. This is a fabric right here, and it stains the roof. So the mold is actually gone off the roof. This is a stain. Now on metal fixtures, it'll come off most of the time if it doesn't eat into the metal. And you got to be careful that you don't let the mold eat around the seals of your fixtures also too. See, all the mold came right out of there. It's good. And this is a fairly new roof. He said he had it put on a couple years ago. So we're almost done with this roof here. We got on our hands and knees, clean it, did the awning. I'm going to finish the awning when we get down. We've been up here for approximately an hour and 45 minutes. You have to use this tool right here on the roof sometimes because of all the cracks and the crevices. You have to get underneath things. And we use a tremendous amount of water also too. Anyway, check out the next videos. They'll be on the sides of the motorhome. And I'll show you what we do on the sides of the motorhome. Just look on Facebook or YouTube. Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington, car wash man.